I resonate with the integrative vibration in my blueprint. I resonate with the integrative vibration in my blueprint. I resonate with the integrative vibration in my blueprint. Hey everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. And would you do me a favor? Would you please just take a moment to like this video, if you like it, and all the other ones, any of the other ones that you've liked, that I've done? That would be amazing. I know more people probably than I think watch these videos, but it would be great to get some more likes. I think YouTube likes that. And subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Today is Sunday, Integrative Day. It's a solar energy. It's a shining, radiating solar energy. Very powerful, very strong. Also very open and compassionate. No matter where you have the integrative vibration in your blueprint today, you can feel very sunny in that area. Maybe it's in your creative play area. You can go out and play in the sun, play under the sun. Have some fun in the sun. If it's in your relationship area, you can invite some friends over and make a plan and do something with them that you want to do. You become the instigator, the leader of your friends just for that moment. And in that way, you integrate them together with you. If you have it spiritually, you can say a prayer to the sun if you like. The sustainer of all life, right? The great poet Rumi had it spiritually. He was always praying to the sun. He said, "The sun came up differently today. Souls move in the changing light. Jupiter, the moon, the good luck house we inhabit, the friend, all one presence today. This grand health where we are servants to each other. One who pours wine and makes toasts arrives at the banquet just as it's over. The perfect beginning for ending, as feet become head in this new way. The perfect beginning for ending, as feet become head in this new way." So make this a shiny, radiating, sunny day in whatever area of your blueprint you have this solar vibration.